Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the stat command. Like the ls command, stat displays important details about a file, like permissions and ownership, but in a much different and surprisingly more detailed way. So let's just make a quick comparison. Here's a file I'm listing with the ls command, and you can see I can see the permissions and the owner and the group and the size of the file, and that's very nice. But do the same thing with stat, and you see all of this. That's a lot of detail. We can see when the file was initially created, birth down here, when it was last modified, when it was last changed, when permissions were changed, and when it was last accessed. So all that information comes just from using the stat command. We can also, see the other information like, the inode and the blocks and the size of the file. So it provides a lot of very useful and detailed information on a file and its history. So that's your Linux tip for the stat command that provides so much detailed information on files. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.